Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So today we're going to be working some more on the 56MG. Got a few things to button up on the driver's side before I move back to the passenger side, but pretty excited about how things are going. So let's run in here and get after it.
So I'm really happy with the way that turned out. Time to move to the other side.
Alright guys, so wanted to give you a quick rundown on what I was doing. Making this belting, you know, kind of going through, stretching it out, making the shapes that I need, making sure it's going to fit just right before I attach it to the panel here and spot weld it in place. So there's a lot to be said about, you know, going home tired and feeling like you accomplished something. It's a lot of fun to be able to step back and look at what you were working on all day and see the progress, and, you know, be able to like see where a project is going or whatever it is that you're doing in life. And, you know, I mean, at the end of the day, if you're doing something that makes you happy, I think that's the most important thing. I know I'm probably talking in circles a little bit here, but I feel extremely grateful to have the opportunity to work on these old cars and, you know, play with metal all day long and, you know, see something take life or come back to life. So, you know, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos. I know, you know, the past few have just kind of been the same daily grind, but I'm hoping that you guys are able to see the progress in, you know, what's going on with the car as, you know, things are moving forward. I mean, obviously in this video you guys were able to see the front fender on with the door, the rocker, the rear fender, everything kind of come together. Obviously the bottom half of that front fender still needs to be replaced, but, you know, it kind of gives you an idea of the direction the car is going. And for me, it feels good to see that, you know, and learn new things along the way. There's a bunch of little tricks and things like that that I didn't know before starting this project that I'm learning now, and obviously I'm going to learn tons more as it goes forward. But it's it's overall, it's extremely rewarding. I don't know if you guys have had a chance yet, but that Garage Ameno app is a blast. There are a ton of good people on there. I hope you guys have logged on, checked it out, you know, and started looking at some of the content. I mean, it's just a cool place for car guys to hang out. You know I'm kind of rambling here, but this was a great way to kind of wrap up the week. And, you know, I'm getting to head home tired but happy and excited about what this next weekend, you know, next week has in store. Obviously, I've got a whole weekend ahead of me where I get to hang out with the kiddo and be dad and do those kinds of things. Like tomorrow, going out to the mud bogs at Twisted Axle, and that's going to be a kick in the pants. And you know, I mean, I don't know. I'm just really thankful. So, guys, again, thank you for taking the time to watch these videos. If you enjoy it, hit the like button, and yeah, we'll catch you next time. Hey, yo.